Hello everybody, welcome to Stamping Within. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So, as the title says, it's a colour challenge. In our team group, the upline has given us a mood board for March, and you can obviously take it different ways. I'm doing a colour challenge. The colours which are there are, see that? Let me just stand up. Mint macaron, calypso coral, fresh freesia, pale papaya, and so saffron. Now what I thought I'd do, I've got this birthday greetings planner type kit thing. Okay, just get rid of those. I've not even filled it in yet, and we're like, you know, third week of March. But anyway, what I thought to do was decorate. So using the colours mentioned, I'm going to use Ranunculus Romance and Lovely You, and kind of do some spring things sort of thing, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I think I'm gonna need some scrap paper so I can do some stamping off. I should have a piece lying around somewhere, he says. Where did it go? Seriously, I have a pile of it. Hang on a minute. Sorry to be so disorganised. Not there, not there. I can only assume I may have binned it. Never mind, I've got some printer paper here. Right. I think the first thing we do is, these circles are telling me to use this. So I'm going to do what it tells me. I won't stamp these off, I don't think. Well, I will, but I'm going to use fresh freesia for this. So let me see what I can do. Yeah, like that. Staying with fresh freesia, I'm going to use this flower here. And I'm going to stamp off on this, I think. Yeah, like that. It's a bit tricky with the rings there. I really need a smaller stamp, I think. So looking at this one, we're going to use the mint macaron. This. Oh, and here's a stamp I haven't used. So I wonder if I can I fit these in? Possibly, yes I can. So, macaron. How is everybody? Hoping you're all well. Which is a way to get these pages out. Well, I don't suppose there is there? I think we'll have Calypso Coral for this one. This is one I've used before. Right. Let's move on to the yellows, shall we? Have you used this one? I've not used this one yet either. Huh. Try and go for a spring feeling here. So we'll start off with Pale Papaya. I'm not sure if I should stamp off or not with this. Let me have a look at it. I think I will stamp off. I'm going to put this in the... Yeah, stamping off definitely works well. Right, and then for So Saffron, Let's have a word. Smile, I think is the word to use. And another one I haven't used. There's a bit of a halo. Right, what do we think? I think that's enough, don't you? You don't want to overpower it, but I've still got to write in this. But I've used all 5 colours, and yeah, that was quite enjoyable. So thanks for watching, whatever you're doing. Hope you have a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Bye.